Hello. Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will solve 10 more interesting problems on permutation and combination. So grab your pen and paper. Make sure that you practice the problems yourself. When I'm stating the problem, you should pause the video and try to solve the problem yourself. You should not spend more than 15 minutes on any question. If you cannot solve in 15 minutes, then either skip that question, come back later, or look at the solution. So the link to download the PDF will be in the description, and at the end I will show you that how you can download the PDF. So without further ado, let's get started. Question 61 says that how many numbers between 1000 and 10,000 can be formed with the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 with no repetitions. So thousands place can be filled in 5 ways excluding 0. Rest 3 places can be filled in 5p 3 ways because there are 5 digits and 3 positions. Remember that before 10,000 there will be 9,999. So 1000 to 999 is what we have to fill. So 60 ways. So total number of ways is 60 into 5, 300. Question 62 says that how many different numbers greater than 5,000 can be formed with the digits 0, 1, 5 and 9 with no repetitions. So thousands place can be filled in 2 ways using 5 or 9. Rest 3 places can be filled in 3 factorial ways. So total number of ways is 2 multiplied by 3 factorial, that is 12. Question 63 says that find the number of numbers between 300 and 4000 that can be formed with the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 with no repetitions. So we have two cases. First is when the number is of 3 digits. The 100 place can be filled in 3 ways using 3, 4 or 5. Remaining 2 places can be filled in 5p2 because we have 5 digits and 2 remaining places. So 5 to p2, that is 20 ways. The total number of ways would be 3 multiplied by 20, that is 60. The second case would be when the number is of 4 digits. Now it has to be less than 4000, so thousands place can be filled by using 1, 2 or 3. Remaining 3 places can be filled in 5p3, that is 60 ways. The total number of ways in this case would be 3 into 60, that is 180. The total number of required numbers is 60 plus 180, that is 240. Question 64 says that how many numbers of 4 digits divisible by 5 can be formed with the digits 0, 4, 5, 6 and 7 with no repetitions. So case 1, for the number to be divisible by 5, the unit place has to be either 0 or 5. Case 1 we take when 0 is at unit place. Rest 3 places can be filled in 4p3 ways, that is 24 ways, that is total number of numbers in this case would be 24. The second case would be when 5 is at units place. The most significant thousands place can be filled in 3 ways using 4, 6 or 7. 0 cannot be used. Remaining 3 places can be filled in 3p2 ways, that is 6 ways. The total number of numbers is 3 into 6, that is 18. The total number of required numbers is 24 plus 18, that is 42. Question 65 says that how many even numbers of 5 digits can be formed with the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So number has to be even, so units place can be occupied by either 2 or 4. So there are 2 ways to do that. Now we will have 4 remaining places because the number has to be of 5 digits. So 4 remaining places can be filled by 4 remaining numbers in 4p4, that is 4 factorial or 24 ways. So total number of 5 digit number is 2 multiplied by 24, that is 48. Question 66 says that how many numbers less than 1000 and divisible by 5 can be formed in which no digit repeats. So the units place can be occupied by 0 and 5, just like question 64, right? So when the number is of 1 digit, there is our case 1, there are 2 such numbers 0 and 5. When the number is of 2 digits, 0, if 0 occurs at unit place, then 10th place can be filled in 9 ways. giving us 9 numbers. However, when 5 occurs at unit place, then 10th place can be filled in 8 ways because now there is no repetition and 10th place cannot have 0. So 5 and 0 cannot be used, so 8 ways. So total number of two-digit numbers is 17. Case 3 is when the number is of 3 digits. If 0 occurs at unit place, the remaining 2 positions can be filled in 92, that is 72 ways. If 5 is at unit place, then 100th place can be filled in 8 ways, excluding 0, and 10th place can be filled in 8 ways. The total number of numbers in this case is 8 into 8, 64. The total number of ways is 72 plus 8 multiplied by 8, that is 136. The total number of numbers is 2 plus 17 plus 136. 17 from the second case, right? Yeah, 9 plus 8, 17. The total is 155. Question 67 says that how many numbers between 100 and 999 can be formed with the digits 0, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8? How many of them are odd? So, yeah, 67, right? Okay. So 100 place can be filled in 5 ways, excluding 0. Rest 2 places can be filled in 5p2, that is 20 ways. So total number of numbers is 5 multiplied by 20, that is 100. For odd numbers, units place can be filled in 2 ways using 5 and 7. Hundreds place can be filled in 4 ways excluding 0, and units place can also be filled in 4 ways using the remaining digits. So total number of odd numbers is 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4, that is 32. Question 68 says that find the number of even numbers that can be formed with the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 with no repetitions. The first case is number is 1 digits. Then there would be 3 such numbers 0, 2, and 4. Case 2 is when the number is of 2 digits. If units place is occupied by 0, tens place can be filled in 4 ways. Thus, such number of such numbers is 4. If units place is occupied by 2 or 4, then we have 2 ways. Then tens place can be filled in 3 ways, excluding 0. The total number of numbers in this case is 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. The total number of 2 digits is 6 plus 4, 10. Similarly, when the number is of 3 digits, the units place can be occupied by 0. Remaining 2 places can be filled in 4p2, that is 12 ways. Now, if unit space is occupied by 2 or 4 in 2 ways, then 100 space can be filled in 3 ways, excluding 0. Tens place can also be filled in 3 ways using remaining 3 digits, making such numbers is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 18. So total number of 3-digit number is 12 plus 18, that is 30. When the number is of 4 digits, when unit space is occupied by 0, remaining 3 places can be filled in 43 ways. So total 24 numbers. Following like previous ones, if when the unit space is occupied by 2 or 4, total number of such numbers will be 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. That is 36. The total number of 4-digit number is 24 plus 36 is equal to 0. When the number is of 5 digits, the unit place must be occupied by 0 and not by 2 or 4. So remaining 4 places can be filled in 4p4, that is 24 ways. So total number of even numbers is 3 plus 10 plus 30 plus 60 plus 24, that is 127. Question 69 says that find the numbers of 6 digits with the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, in which 5 always occupies, this should be occupies, tens place with no repetitions. So once we fix 5 at tens place, we have 5 open places and 5 different digits which can be arranged in 5p5, that is 5 factorial ways. The total number of required numbers should be, that is 120. Question 70 says that a number of 4 different digits, there should be an S, is formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. How many such numbers can be formed? How many of them are greater than 3400? So we have 7 digits and we have to form 4-digit numbers. The total number of such numbers is 7p4, that is 840. Now we have to find numbers greater than 3400. First we compute numbers between 3400 and 4000. So in this case, the thousands place can be filled by 3. 100 place can be filled by 4, 6, 7, that is 4 ways. Remaining 2 positions can be filled in 5p2, that is 20 ways. The number of numbers between 3400 and 4000 is 4 multiplied by 20, that is 80. Now we compute numbers greater than 4000. So 1000 space can be filled by 4, 5, 6, or 7 in 4 ways. Remaining 3 places can be filled in 6p3, that is 120 ways. The total number of such numbers is 4 multiplied by 120, that is 480. The numbers greater than 3400 is 80 plus 480, that is 560. And with this, we come to the end of 7th set of problems on permutations and combinations. I hope that you are enjoying this series and finding it useful for your exams and studies. Remember that you have to work hard. There is no solution. There is no alternative of working hard other than working hard. So there is no other solution. But do not wait for videos and go ahead and study on your own. You have the PDF and I will show you how you can download the PDF. The link is in description. You can come to my website extrawork.org. Click on the second link to download the algebra book and the third link is trigonometry book. There may be a lot of typing mistakes, but I correct them as I find them. So, because there is no proofreader for these books, and that's why there are so many typing mistakes. So I wish you all the very best for exams and study and keep working hard. I'll see you in the next video with 10 more problems. Till then, keep studying.